Hello, good morning everyone. So today we will solve question number 3rd, 4th and 5th of exercise 1.1. So first we have to read question number 3. This is an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So he said same number of columns and maximum number of columns means we need to find a same number of columns. It's a maximum terms and which is common in these two. So for this you have to find HCF. Simple. Getting? And now I'm solving question number 4. So question number 4 I have written already here. So this is use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So solution is let a be any positive integer and b equals to 3, right? Actually the value of b is to be taken, right, 3, because we need to square the terms. Means the terms, any terms taken, the value of b whose square would be the multiple of 3. So only 3 is a number whose square is multiple of 3. So that's why I have taken the b value of b is 3. So let a be any positive integer and b is equals to 3. Then by Euclid division lemma, a is equals to 3q plus r, and where r is greater than or equals to 0 but less than 3, right, is that possible remainder or remainders are would be 0, 1 and 2. Clear? So again we have 3 cases. So what the case 1 said. So before solving this case 1, first we have to square this particular thing. This is our equation 1, because in this we have to check square of any positive integer. So because a is a positive integer which is the form of in this form, so first we have to square here, because if we are not squaring here then we have to square 3 times because you have 3 cases. So now squaring both sides of equation 1. So it would be a squared is equals to 3q plus r whole square. Now expand this with the help of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square means 3q square plus r square plus 2 multiplied by 3q plus r, sorry, into r. So what you are getting, a square is equals to 3 square is 9, q square plus r square plus 2 3s are 6q r, right? Now this is your statement. A square, that is the square of any positive integer. So now you have possible remainders 0, 1, 2. So case 1, when r is equals to 0, so a square is equals to, simple, you got 9q square, because if you are putting r is equals to 0 it would be 0, 6q multiplied by 0 it is also 0. So clearly this can be written as 3 multiplied by 3q square, then 3q square would be taken as m, so this would be 3m, right? Because we need to show this is the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So now case 2, when r equals to 1, so is that r a square is equals to 9q square plus, that is 1 square plus 6q multiply 1. then what you are getting? 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. And clearly you can observe in these two terms, in these two, 6 and 9, 3, they are the multiple of 3. So take 3 as a common from these two. Then what you got? You got 3q square plus 2q plus 1. And again 3q square plus 2q would be taken as m, because m is some integer. So this would be 3m plus 1. Right? And now the last is when r equals to 2, then a square is equals to 9q square plus 2 square plus 2 multiply 6q multiply 2. So it would be 9q square plus 4 plus 6 2 is 12q. So here 12q, 4 we can write like 3 plus 1, and from these three terms take 3 as a common. What is left? 3q square, 4q plus 1 plus 1, and again 3q square plus 4q plus 1 as m. You can write like let, and then it would be the form of 3m plus 1. Clear? So you can write from the solution we can say that the square of any positive integer are in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 4. Getting? So everyone note it down, and if you are finding any problem, then you can discuss with me. So just hold on. Now I'm solving the next question, question number 5. So now we'll solve question number 5. So the question is, use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So this question is same as question number 4. In that question we have squaring both sides, and in this question we will cubing both sides. So first of all, let A be any positive integer and b is equals to 3. Why we have taken b equals to 3? Because if we are cubing 3, then we are getting 27, and 27 is a multiple of 9. Getting? So that's why we have taken b equals to 3. You can take b as 9 also, but in that case you will get 9 cases and you have to solve each and every part. So that's why I am taking b equals to 3. Getting? So by Euclid division lemma, a is equals to b. What b is taken? That is 3. So 3q plus r, where r is greater than or equals to 0 but less than 3. Clear? Is that possible? Remainder are 0, 1, 2. Clear? The first condition is your equation 1. So first what we need to do? Cubing, or cube of any positive integer. So in that question we have squaring both sides, and now we are cubing both sides. Cubing both sides of equation 1. So it would be a cube, and this is 3q plus r whole cube. Getting? So what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right. So with the help of this formula, we will expand this part. Then you will get a cube means this is 27 cube plus r cube plus 3, that is a. What is the a? 3 cubes a. So 3 into a square means 3 cube whole square into b. What is b? This is r. And plus 3 into 3 cube into r square. So finally your terms is converted as 27 cube plus r cube plus square of 3 is 9, 3 is a 27 q square r plus 3 is a 9 q r square. Clear? This is our equation number 2, a cube. Clear? So because the possible limiters are 0, 1, 2, so we have 3 cases when the r is 0, when the r is 1, when the r is 2. So case 1, when r equals to 0. Clear? So a cube is equals to 27 q cube, because here r is 0, so it is 0. Q square r is 0, so this term would be 0. R is 0, so this term is also 0. So you will get only simple 27 q cube, which is equals to 9 multiplied by 3 q cube, and 3 q cube is taken as m, so it would be 9m. Simple. And then case 2, when r equals to 1. So a cube is equals to 27 q cube, 1 cube is 1, and plus 27 q square multiplied by 1 means simple this, and this is 9 cube. Clear? So check these 3 terms. In all these, the term numbers are multiple of 9. So take 9 as a common. What is left? 3q cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. And here 3q cube plus 3q square plus q would be taken as m. So it would be 9m plus 1. Clear? And again, case 3, when r equals to 2. So it is a cube is equals to 27 q cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus this is 27 q square r. So 27 q square r is 2, and plus last is 9q into square of 2, or simple you can write 4. Clear? So your terms is converted like 27q cube plus 8 plus 27 2s are 54 q square, and 9 4s are 36q. Clear? Any doubt? So again, in these 3 terms, check this, the numbers are multiple of 9. So take 9 as a common. So a cube, and if we take a 9 as a common, so it would be 3q cube plus from here 6q square is 9 6 are 54, and plus 4q, clear, and plus 8. So again 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q, take as m, so it would be 9m plus 8. So from the solution you can easily observe that in 3 cases you have you have got the number 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8, which we need to show. So from the solution we can say that cube of any positive integer are in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That's it. So this is the solution. So everyone note it down, and thank you very much. You have to complete exercise 1.1.